ang isa sa in-demand actors of his generation. Of course, Best Supporting Actor in MFF 2016, and of course, Gawa Dorian Awards for the movie Die Beautiful. Let's give it up for award-winning actor, Mr. Christian Bablets.
Magandang hapon po, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat, Ate Tess.
Hello.
Maraming salamat po for having me. Magandang hapon po sa ating mga kaibigan from the press, media and bloggers, sa ating mga Star Magic teachers, and of course, sa ating ama, si Direk Ryan.
Hi, Direk Ryan, of course, the Star Magic Workshop Head. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, si Christian po ay bago naging artista, ay dati ko pong OJT at trainee sa Star Magic. And I'm so proud that I'll be joining him sa stage ngayon as one of the hosts. Diba? Parang kailan lang? That was year 2010?
2010, if I'm not mistaken.
Taga-gupit ko ng dyaryo, taga-linis, taga-check ng mga write-ups niya, guys.
Ngayon ako yung nasa.
Ngayon, ka-co-host ko na sa press con. Ayan, at syempre, proud student ka ni Direk Ryan.
Yes, maraming salamat. Thank you, Ate Tess. Sa totoo lang po, I owe much of what I know kay Direk Ryan sa Star Magic Workshops kasi grabe, from 2011 up until ngayon, mag-masterclass ulit ako. Continuous learning lang at masasabi kong talagang lahat ng nagagamit ko ngayong weapon sa trabaho at sa passion dito galing sa Star Magic Workshops. Sa aking mga acting coaches, maraming salamat. Kaya naman sobrang excited po ako nung maimbitahan ako as part of today's press con.
Yes, that is correct. This afternoon, we're going to talk about the new and improved Star Magic Summer Workshops. At bago po ang lahat, gusto po namin i-remind ang lahat ng nandito ngayon that we're going to use the official hashtag for today. It's going to be, it's hashtag Star Magic Workshops 2019. Again, that's hashtag Star Magic Workshops 2019 with an S.
Yes, with an S. Huwag kakalimutan ng S. At sa mga teambahay naman, we can also be seen on Star Magic's Facebook Live. So like and share lang po.
Yeah, and speaking of workshop, Christian, just want to know, how was the experience being one of the students sa Star Magic Workshops? Ano yung mga na-undergo mong workshops sa Star Magic?
Hindi biro. Kasi ako before, bago ako mag-workshop kay Direk Ryan, ang laki ng goal ko, kumbaga. Kumbaga parang takot ako na to face life. Yeah, magpapakadip tayo ngayong hapon. To face life. But nung nagsimula ako mag-workshops kay Direk Ryan, hindi ko lang nagamay pa yung passion ko, kundi mas naging matapang ako to win over life. So, ayun, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, nagamit ko siyang weapon dito sa pinasok kong industriya. Yun.
To add on lang, since student ka from LaSalle before, nakita mo na ba, na-foresee mo na ba that this is the career na you wanna go and wanna push through?
Opo, inano ko siya, tawag nito, in-envision ko siya na gusto ko mong mangyari, gusto kong maging actor. Maybe on stage, film, TV, di ko alam during that time, di ko pa alam, basta sabi ko lang sa sarili ko, gusto kong umarte. Hindi ko lang in-expect na magiging ganito siya. Mapupunta ako sa ganito.
In the span of 3 years, di naman ako.
2016 ako nabigyan ng pagkakataon through Die Beautiful. Ayun. Tapos, hindi ko in-expect na magiging ganun. Parang pagkagising ko, ito na siya.
Congratulations naman.
Maraming salamat po.
At dahil dyan, just so you know guys, Star Magic Workshop has been honing and training actors that actually land opportunities and take home awards tulad ni Christian.
Yes po, ate. And to give us a brief background about what we can expect this summer, please turn your attention to the screen. Okay, of course, to give us an idea about what we can expect about the upgrades of the Star Magic workshops and to introduce their amazing and seasoned teachers. Let's give it up for Star Magic Workshops head and the only certified Chabak training teacher here in the Philippines, Direk Ryan Carlos. Palakpakan naman po natin.
Okay, magandang hapon po, magandang tanghali. Una po sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo at sa madalas na pagsuporta po sa Star Magic, sa workshops po namin, and sa pagmamahal na Kites. Maraming salamat po. And yung press con pong ito, gusto po namin i-announce yung upcoming programs namin sa Star Magic in terms of the performing arts, not only acting, pati kasama po pati voice and dance. And ako po, I believe, like what Ibarra Chabak is always saying, that we can change the world through the arts. And the arts are evolving. That's why tinawag po siyang arts. And this time, gusto ko po sa inyong ibida yung team ko po na ipapakilala ko. Hindi ko po kakayanin kung ako lang po mag-isa. I've been teaching the workshops and acting for the past 20 years. I started 1998. Bata pa lang po ako na nag-workshop na ako. But I believe in constant learning. And symbiotic po yung process. Sa mga natuturuan ko, natututo rin po ako sa kanila. And most of my students are my teachers now. And introduce ko lang po sila kasi hindi ko kakayanin lahat ng workshops sa Star Magic, not just the actors, but we are offering the workshop year-round already. So, dati po summer lang. Ngayon po, it's a year-round already. Like, every summer, we have something like 1,400 enrolled students. Ganun po karami. Pwera dun sa mga tinuturuan po namin ng mga artista dito. Pakilala ko lang po, initially, yung mga teachers ko. Sa acting for teens and adults, we have Carla Martinez, the Carla, yeah. And we have Ruby. Yeah, mga trained teachers ko po sila, nagtuturo na rin. We have Lynette Concepcion. We have Airpass Publico. And one of my newest teachers is si Heart Evangelista. Heart Evangelista. Heart Guzman, yeah. And then I have my kids acting teacher po, si Edna Baylandicho. Okay, and si HB Benitez po, my coordinator as well. Sa voice naman po, I have, tatlo po sila pero dalawa lang po yung nandito. Si Luningning San Jose and si Julian Cumanes Reyes. Sa dance ko po, tatlo po silang nagtuturo, headed by Nesh Janyola. And then I have the Maneuvers Ignite boys, si Mac tsaka si Mike. And si GJ Romano is new to our team. Yeah. And may introduce po kami na bagong workshops. Hindi lang po acting for teens and adults, hindi lang po acting for kids. Ang kids po kasi namin as early as 6, sineseparate po namin. 6 to 9, 10 to 12, 13 to 18. And you wouldn't believe, ang adults ko po, I have 18 to 72-year-old. And before they started from the master class, ngayon lumalabas na po sila sa mga indie. Up to now, they're still in my master class. But now we will introduce a new workshop which is Conversational Tagalog for non-Tagalog speakers. Kasi makikita niyo naman po, wala na talaga nagsasalita ng pure Tagalog. And most of our actors are half-breed. And that's the reason why we're doing it already. Program na po yun namin sa Star Magic, but this time we're opening it to the public kasi siyempre because of the TFC, marami pong gustong maging artista yung anak nila, and part of it, nahihirapan pong makapenetrate kapag hindi marunong mag-Tagalog. So, meron po akong teacher, si Wena Sadora, yan po. And we already devised a syllabus on how to offer this to the public as well. Yun po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta.
Thank you, Direk.